Hey YouTubers, welcome back to a really short installation video. I ordered this bulb, an H4 bulb, believe it or not, from the Wish app. And it doesn't have a fan or anything to keep anything cool. It's got the right prongs and everything, so I'm hoping that it works well. It should replace the regular crappy bulb in there that's super yellow and super not cool looking. Let's get to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking apart the front, and then I'll stop and film the installation of the bulb. This is an H4. I got it from the Wish app. I'll find an equivalent on Amazon and put it in the description below. So here we go. Alright, that was easy. There is 2 screws on the bottom. 1, 2. There are 2 screws right here facing towards the steering wheel. 1, 2. And then there's one right there at the top of the gauge cluster. There's a piece of rubber that's normally covering it, but I don't know what happened to the rubber on mine. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you look, there's a cover, pops off. This, I guess, keeps some water out of there for us. Back. There's the harness. See if you can see that. It's the triple harness for this. And then there's a lock. If you look, push these counterclockwise on both sides at the same time, and the bracket comes off and the bulb lifts out. Here is the traditional high beam, low beam. Traditional. Hopefully with this new bulb, I guess, I don't know, is there a high beam and a low beam on here? See all those LEDs? Hopefully it's bright enough, but we'll see, right? So there, goes in place. Put this and put it right here, and then push across, and it should lock back into place. Or is it backwards? Hold on. See how there's a flat side across the top? There's a flat side here in the hole, and that's supposed to go in there. So maybe I got this backwards. Oh my gosh. There you go. It's connected back. Put this on. Make sure your boot goes on, because that's what keeps water and moisture out of your headlight. And all your other harnesses, make sure they stay on, because they're the things for these lights. Now, I had made a mistake before. I said that these blink with it, but it was a wiring defect from the factory. One of them was they were blinking because they were hooked up into the turn signals that were supposed to be, there's supposed to be turn signals underneath this handlebar, very cheaply put in there. So let's go ahead and just loosely mount this back on. Let me grab the key and let's see what this looks like. Be right back. Okay, it took me forever to get my key. apparently when I got home, I just put it down willy-nilly, and it was just laying on the ground. Here we go. So let's get the bike started. Woo-wee! Look at that! I can't even stare at it, it's hurting my eyes. But yeah, it's definitely a white light. Wow, that looks so much better. Well, anyways, that was easy. So 5 screws. If you get an H4 bulb, by the way, I'm gonna carry this bulb around with me in my backpack for a little while, just in case this thing overheats and fries. It is from the Wish app and from China, so who knows, but I'll take that with me just in case. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Face comes off. Pull off the rubber seal, slide it back, take the harness off the back, take the bulb out, or take the locking piece out of the place, take the bulb out, put the bulb out with the flat side facing the flat side, put it back in, reverse order everything I just told you, and there you go. It was easy. Hope that was useful and hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I like to make these videos for people so they know what to expect. Just like whenever I do anything on everything else, I always look for a YouTube video that'll help me kind of get familiar with the territory. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.